People have been asking about the meaning of the logo of this channel. Well, starting from the name is Acholi Pro TV, also written on the logo. This concave TV logo, all that shape you see, that badge, is a design predicting the future of television. The future of television is not cable TV like you see satellite TVs, but it is internet or streaming TVs like Netflix. You have the YouTube and the rest, proved by many companies already integrating smart system into even the home TVs. You just have to pick up your remote at home and you watch your YouTube, you watch your Netflix. That is the future of technology. That is why big companies such as BBC, Sky Sports and the rest are also on YouTube. Then going on to another one is the drum. Drum symbolizes the strong and best culture of Africa. According to me, the Acholi culture is the best in Africa, and that drum symbolizes it. Then another one is the other lady with a man dancing in front of an elephant. This one symbolizes the love for one another, the creativity and the geniusness of the people of Acholi. Thank you very much for knowing the meaning of the logo. Stay subscribed if you want to meet me in another video. Bye bye.